Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is update number 97 of the Wealthsimple TFSA Trade Portfolio Challenge. That is always a mouthful to say, but we're actually almost at the 100th update, which is awesome. So thanks to everybody that has been following along the portfolio. Really appreciate it. The channel is growing as the portfolio is a little bit. Obviously the market not so great right now, but you know, we're doing our slowly dollar cost averaging, and I did do a small deposit today. So if you've been following along the channel, you saw my community tab where I always share if I've done any purchases for the day. I will always share those ahead of time on my community tab. So make sure you are subscribed and following along. And one more shout out to everybody that joined the live stream this morning. If you haven't joined in the live stream, it'd be great to have you on. We go live on YouTube every Monday to Friday from 8 a.m. to about 9 o'clock Pacific time. So if you can join in, that would be great. We've got a great conversation usually going. Lots of people typically join in, share some good conversation on there. It'd be great to have you join along if you haven't already. If you aren't able to make it, you can always catch those replays back on the channel. They'll be posted there right after the live stream. So without further ado, let's just get into the portfolio. All right, here we are in the TFSA app, and as you can see, we're up a little bit for the month, but we will get into that now. The market is just closed as I am filming this, so that you might see a bit of changes kind of in the prices, but that's why those numbers are changing. Sometimes it takes a little bit for Wealthsimple to kind of reconcile, I think, by the end of the day as the trades have gone through. So that being said, we'll scroll down. Everything today, you can kind of see everything was kind of a red day all around. BTC.Y did okay. Greenlane Renewable up a little bit, but that one is definitely very volatile, moving around on there. Slate Office REIT, little bit of increase there, but other than that, the rest of little bit in the red today. That seems to be how the market is doing lately. But we'll go in to see here, and just instead of today's price, we'll just see how we're doing in the all-time, which is always nice to look at. So Brookfield Asset Management, that is the first one. We actually purchased that as part of the savings challenge that I'm doing. I have a video posted on my channel if you want to check that out. I did a fractional share purchase of that, and we are actually up on that one. So we're up 8.26%, which is awesome. But only, again, just have 0.6137 shares of the fractional share. I will be doing another purchase of that one at the beginning of next month. But going through BEP.UN, that's Brookfield Renewables, down 15.16% on our 16 shares. Now, when the next dividend comes through from that, what I've starting to do is put the dividends back in with a fractional share, and I will be doing that with BEP.UN. BTC.Y, as you can see, we're down 35.76%. Bitcoin's been hit, obviously, if the crypto market, if you've been watching, FTX, not a great time, but holding up okay, down 35%, not too worried. This is, again, a long-term hold for me, 172 shares, and the dividends are paid monthly on that one if you're looking for a ETF that is in the cryptocurrency space that pays some dividends. CMC, that's obviously the channel write-off. We'll skip over that one. ETC, down 69.36%, not doing too great on that one, but then I haven't averaged down my cost on that one yet. I've been more focusing on BTC.Y, and do still have 104 shares of ETC. That's the Evolve cryptocurrency ETF. Greenlane Renewables, again, this one long-term hold, quite volatile in there. You'll see obviously 54.55% in the red, which is unfortunate, but I will be adding to that position slowly but surely. Haven't decided to put any other big amount into there, as you can see. REI.UN up 0.4%. Nice. It's nice to have something in the portfolio in the green. Absolutely. Just over 26 shares. So again, that's the fractional share, adding in as dividends come through, reinvesting in the fractional share RioCan Real Estate Investment Trust. RNW, we can drill into this one, down 2.10%. Our TransAlta Renewables just can't seem to catch a break, but I think long-term will be hopefully a good investment. I will keep dollar cost averaging into there as well. 42 shares, down 26.55%. And Solar Alliance Energy, again, down 53.13. Slate Office REIT, this one actually was up today, which is nice to see. Slowly putting into this one as well, reinvesting the dividends, of course, and up today a little bit, 0.44%, which is nice. Nice to see a little bit of green. 107 shares, but we are down 10.82% on that one. Last, Telus, channel favorite. Telus doing okay, up 2.75%, which is nice. That's one we're going to continue to add in, roll in the dividends as well. Just over 18 shares of Telus. Tesla, that's the one I purchased today. I purchased 5 new shares of the CDR of Tesla. I did a $100 deposit, so what I did is I bought 5 of those and put the rest into VDY as a fractional purchase. So we have Tesla now we have 11 shares altogether, so added 5, but down unfortunately 7.12%. Long-term hold, not too worried about that. VDY we can drill into. This is the one I did the fractional share purchase a little bit today, down just a little bit today, 0.09. So let's basically kind of flat, and we have 68.9377 shares. We are up 4.61%, which is awesome. That's nice to see some green in the portfolio of red, believe me. VFV, this one is the Vanguard S&P 500 Index ETF, another mouthful to say, but we are down just a little bit. We're kind of gaining this one back up a little bit, which is nice. We're down 4.34% on our 34.2309 shares. Let's just call it 34 shares, but we will be adding, once the next dividend comes through, adding more to that fractional purchases, as well as averaging down, averaging our dollar cost averaging. I think dollar cost averaging is the name of the game, especially in the market these days. So let's scroll right to the top to show how we're doing. So on the day, this will be thrown off a little bit because I did do the $100 deposit, but it says we're up $61.60 in the day. So that kind of means we're actually down about $40, but that's how it reports. It takes about a day to kind of reconcile, it seems like, on there with Wealthsimple. For the week, we'll see how we're rolling up here. Let's sometimes just take some time after, I think, when the market closes. It might actually not get a response from this. We'll see here. Let's try a month. There we go. We can do a month, up 1.77% on the month, $185.36. But now we're going to definitely see some red. Maybe it's not really showing here. I think this has an issue with the app at the end of the day, as we're finding here. But we'll see if the 1 year, maybe not. No, but we can maybe do all time. Let's do all time for that one. We are down 16.02% on the portfolio, down $2,031.42. It's not going to load the graph for us, but you can see from the top, that's their 1 year, or sorry, all time, how we are doing on the portfolio. Alrighty, now be sure to let me know down in the comments below. Did you do any purchases today? It's always kind of fun to hear what people are doing. Did you buy anything today? What did you dollar cost average to? It'd be great to leave a comment down below. And that being said, thanks to everybody. If you've made it this far, aren't subscribed, what we're trying to do on the channel is grow my portfolio, my TFSA on Wealthsimple from $0 all the way up to $100,000. Started last April of 2021, and we're kind of on the roll there. The portfolio is over $10,000. It's growing slowly but surely. Just taking an opportunity right now to dollar cost average and carry through with the plan of investment, and hopefully eventually get to $100,000. So thanks for watching, everybody. We'll catch you in the next video.